bought a 22 feet sailboat. I'm learning to sail, and this is part of a new direction that I'm taking this channel into, which is a more sort of adventure kind of direction. Sailing has always been something that I've wanted to get into, and owning a boat has been a dream of mine for the last 2 years. This deal came up and the opportunity came and I couldn't pass it, so I went for it. And here we are in my new boat. A bit of info about the boat itself. The model is a Tanzer 22. The year is 1974, so it's quite an old boat, but still very solid, very good condition. It is obviously 22 feet in length. It has a draft of 3.5 feet. All right, so here it is. The Tanzer 22 came with a 15 horsepower Yamaha motor, outboard motor. I think it's a 1984. It's a two-stroke motor, very reliable. One particular thing about this Tanzer is that it has a bimini, which is rare to see on this model. And so I'll take you inside. Quite a spacious cockpit for this size boat. Can fit comfortably about 4 or 5 people here. Standard wood tiller. And you have these nice little cushions which come in handy when you want to just lay down and rest. Pardon me if I misname some things or have the wrong terminology. This is really all new to me, so I might say some things wrong and whatnot, so my apologies in advance for that. Got the winch is here. Everything works well. The great thing is that it came with a solar panel, which is directly connected to an inverter down at the bottom. So here's the interior of the 22. So for a 22 feet boat, you know, me and my girl, we went to see quite a few boats, and it is quite spacious for its size, to be honest. I was actually pleasantly surprised by the size when we first came to see it. So if I'm sitting here, you have this nice little table. You have this nice space where you have a quarter berth here, so an adult can sleep here. You have a nice bench here. You can eat here. It's quite a big table again. It's pretty nice. Here you have the traditional V berth, and I'm a short guy. I'm about 5'6", and my girl is about 5'5", 5'4". So we're really comfortable here. We have plenty of space to sleep. On the top you have the hatch here, and we have these nice sort of thing for the bugs, and they're Velcro, so that's awesome. Little windows here, and I believe we even have some storage on over there, but let me go check because I'm curious now. Or maybe not. Yeah, no, that might not be some. Let me see. No, I don't think so, but still. All right, so here's me. Now I'm laying in it, and like I said, I'm 5'6", so I'm quite a small guy, so that's perfect for me. But even a tall person, you still got plenty of space here. Let me move the other way. So I think technically you're supposed to sleep like this, with your head right here in the action. Yeah, there's plenty of space here. So again, that's the view from the V berth. We have a nice little propane stove that we can use to cook. We have all our navigation lights connected here to the inverter, and that's the inverter that's connected to the solar panel. So I don't know exactly. I know there's the fan. The fan definitely worked. We've used it quite a bit. But all these other lights, I'm not entirely sure what they are. I know they're navigation lights, but I'll have to find out which one is which, because or I'll just ask the previous owner. So we have a VHF radio that you need a permit to use that I don't have yet. And so, yeah, you can remove that table right here. I'll show you. So as you can see, now when you put down the table and you pull this cushion, now obviously my sails are in the way of my life jacket, but you got plenty of space in the back here. And now you have a nice full bed. And if I pass the cell phone to my beautiful girl here, plenty of sleeping space here too. We might remove the sink and just put the MPC, because we're not going to use the sink anyway, or the water. And I might just put my MPC right there and put the small monitors in the back here, and I can have my guitar here. One of the first projects that we're going to do is install some LED lights all over to make a nice light. It's nice because there's already some lights that came on the rails, as you can see, and they open automatically when the sun goes down. But yeah, so this is it, and I'm gonna take you to the front now. So say hi, baby.
I will.
So I showed you the solar panel. I like that green. I like the color green. This is the front of the boat. This is where obviously we keep the anchor. I'm not gonna show it to you right now because these cores are in the way, but it's just a traditional Danford anchor. I don't know how much it weighs, but it's quite old. We might get a new one. It's a bit rusty, but we anchored today and it was fine. We had no problem. So we'll see what we do if we buy a new one. But we got quite a bit of projects on the boat that we're gonna do. So this is the view, you know, from the front of the boat. So yeah, beautiful boat. Obviously I want to learn how to sail. I want to learn navigation. I also want to use this boat to make a kind of remote little station where I can make music inside this boat, and I don't know exactly what I want to do yet. It's definitely a small boat. There's not a huge amount of space, but I can use that space and make something nice so that I can make my beats and make my music here, play some guitar, as well as just using it to move around and explore the lake that we're on. Thank you for sticking around. Like I said, I will be doing a lot more different kind of videos, more adventure, wilderness kind of videos, obviously now that I have the boat, but I will still always involve music in my channel, even though it might not be entirely dedicated to music and music production, music making. I have this project in mind, and I had this vision in mind for a few months now, even before I was looking at boats, and so I'm gonna make it happen somehow. All right, so I'm gonna show you all the places that we know of as of now, because we haven't checked out everything, but every storage spot on the boat. So it's a 22 feet boat. It's small, it's compact, but there's still quite a bit of room for storage. So the first thing is that under the V-berth, under the bed, as you can see now, we have the door here, but there's a good amount of storage space down here. If you come here, you'll see there's a nice storage space right here, nice deep spot where you can put some stuff here. I guess you could still fit some stuff here. Now, for now, there's some wiring. I don't know what this is all about. I don't know much about that. This is an ice box that it's really smells bad in here for now. We need to clean it up. I don't know if we're gonna use this, to be honest. We might just take this all out and use it as some more storage. We'll have to discuss it. This whole thing, this whole counter, this sink, I want to remove that and put a nice wooden spot here so that I can put my MPC right there. Put my monitors in the back. There's plenty of space, and then the nice thing is that once I'm done, I can just remove it, put it back in the truck, and we're gone. So more storage spot. Let's see. When the table is set down, you have some amount of storage here. Here is a, oh fuck, a nice little compartment right here under the cushion. Some more storage space right here. Oh. So still, you got a lot of room. Oh, there's even a quarter here. Let me put that in my pocket. Obviously, people, they always seem to put their stuff down here in the quarter berth. I think we're gonna remove the sails from here. We're probably gonna find some other spots, because we're gonna use these quarter berth a lot to sleep, or to when we have friends sleep over, when we have our kids here. They're gonna sleep in those quarter berth. Maybe we'll put them in the V berth. We'll see. We also have a big dog, so we'll utilize the most space that we can. So we have another quarter berth, as you can see on the left. This is the canister. Now for now, there's some bags with some sail, but this goes pretty deep. You can easily fit an adult in here. Here we have another compartment where we have the, I guess, what is this? You have a fire extinguisher here, and I guess this is some kind of to be honest, guys, I don't know what it is. So if one of you sailing guys can educate me and let me know what that is. This seems like some kind of a pump, or either like a hose or some shit. So let me know, guys. Let me know in the comments. Like here on the side here, you have some more storage space here. This is quite deep. You can put a lot of stuff here. All this on the side, you can put some stuff here. So on this side, you have the gas tank, which is a 40 liter tank, I believe. So or 45. You do have a good amount of storage on this side here. If I open this up, as you can see right now, got some cordage here. We have some life vests, but that's deep. You can fit a lot of stuff, and it goes all the way in the back there. So wow, that's a lot of storage space here too. So I think that's about it. The Tanzer 22, there's plenty of those here, especially here where I am. I'm in Canada, and these boats were made, most of these boats were made in Canada. It's a Canadian company that made them until I think the mid 80s, if I'm not, correct me if I'm wrong there. So I'm really happy that I went with this model because the parts are available here. There's a lot of available parts. There's a big community of people with this exact same model. So that's really helpful when you need help, when you have questions. So, and it's a very, very, it's a boat that has a very good reputation. When you look at the history of it, you know, just the simple fact that it's a 1974. It's a boat that's 50 years old and it's still going strong in the water. Fiberglass sailboat, you know, they were built very solid from what I know. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm super happy. I'm super excited. So thanks for tuning in again. We're gonna wrap this up, and like I said, like and subscribe. You'll be seeing my music set up here pretty soon. I don't know how far I'm gonna take this boat. It's quite a small boat, you know. Although some people have taken a boat like this to really, some people went to the Bahamas with this boat, I know for sure. So even though it's a small boat, it's built very well. So we'll see how far we take it. Maybe we'll go ahead and upgrade for a new boat next year, for a bigger boat. Maybe we'll sell this one and we'll get into some, we don't know yet. But as of now, we're really excited about this new journey and this new project. And I'm looking forward to taking you guys with me. And like I said, this is not going to be I'm not going to become one of those sailing channels that's all about sailing. I will always integrate music into my channel, so look out for this for the next couple of videos where I will be doing some music on the boat. And I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys stick around, and thank you for subscribing. We just hit 500 subscribers and I'm really happy about that. So thank you to everyone who liked and shared and commented on the videos. And so, guys, I'm very happy. This is an exciting part of my life, and I'm looking forward to, very excited to show you guys what's next. So thank you for tuning in, and until next time.